Another practice technique is just to make sure that your movements are entertaining in and of themselves.
Maybe we can collect all the really great Bill Switch routines that are out there, both the routines, the handlings, and subtleties, and make sort of a Bill Switch encyclopedia.
If you ever wanted to cut your finger, bleed, and turn that blood into a ladybug, boy, did you come to the right place.
I wasn't being very altruistic. I only wanted to help myself. I wanted to stop my father from hitting me.
The artistry that Jeff McBride provided on these videos is worth far more than the money I spent.
Just shut up and let the experience happen.